This is the Bella 10 by 18 inch electric griddle, and the first thing I'm going to do is wash the three main pieces. Of course, I'm not going to wash number 4, which is the electric cord, and I'm just adding a little tip here. Put a little piece of foil in the little tray for the grease, and that will make your cleanup a breeze. And this is going into our bed and breakfast unit, so I think for the guests' sake that this is something that will make it easier just to keep the grease tray clean. And there's also a warming tray underneath as well, so that when you start cooking something and you want to cook something else, well, you can fill up that tray with the things that are just should stay warm while you finish preparing your meal. And the last step for getting this brand new griddle ready is just to season it with some vegetable oil. And the procedure to start up for the first time is in the instruction manual that comes with the griddle. And I'm starting to cook my breakfast. I'm getting just testing all the sides of the griddle and the corners and the center, and every inch is hot and cooking food. So that's a good sign. The heat is evenly distributed around that 18 by 10 inch surface. And I'm going to show you how portable this is. The handles were cool, and I just took it outside. So I can pretend I'm camping, and I can cook it on the deck. And I'm just going to cook my omelet. And I'm really, really pleased with how well this griddle is performing. I might just have to get one for the house, because this one will be for guests to use. So I wanted it to be easy, but I wanted it to be good, and I've ticked both those boxes. And so now I'm going to have my breakfast and enjoy the first meal cooked on the griddle. And cleaning up was a breeze too. I just ran a paper towel over the top, and voila, and then a little wet rag just to pick up those crumbs. And it's ready. It's ready, folks. I recommend.